You mean to tell me that these 20 Starlink satellites that fell into our atmosphere may actually have an effect on our ozone layer? Well, I'm sure it will take more than that, but I didn't know anything about this issue. So, researchers at the University of Southern California are saying that the aluminum oxide that's put out from the Starlink satellites is affecting our ozone layer. And that protects us, of course, in so many ways. Now, apparently, when they enter the Earth's atmosphere on re-entry, because these satellites eventually die, that's when the worst occurs. Now, with thousands of them up there, that means that we have the potential in the future for a real growing problem. Now, the way this came up in conversation was I was showing, this is actually a picture I took of M15, a globular cluster, and I was showing there's two streaks that you see right here. And those are very close together. Those are likely Starlink satellites. And there's another streak at the very top of the screen. I dare you to find it. It's really, really, really weak. That was also a satellite that I took in just a few minutes of this shot. This is a time exposure of maybe 10 minutes or so. Anyway, the point is, the Falcon rocket went up on the 11th. The Starlink satellites weren't put high enough into orbit. All 20 were lost. They burned up on their way back down into the atmosphere. And I'm sure that would exacerbate the problem of depleting the ozone layer, although I'm sure it's the thousands of them that are up there that is the real issue. But still, I didn't know anything about it. Please tell me more about it in the comments. I'm just learning about this issue.